Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to show you how you can put accessories on dummies on the Roblox Studio. Now first you can see I'm on an empty place where we can actually be allowed to add some dummies here. So we are going to first add some dummies. So you can search for dummy and you can find R6 dummy, R15 dummy. So I'm going with the R15 dummy here. So for example, this in this section. So I'm going to place this camera here just like this. So that's pretty much like this. And if you want to put some accessories on this dummy here, so you have to simply do is make sure that your command bar is running right now or available here. So for that you have to go to the view and make sure this command bar is clicked or turned on, so that then you can find the command bar from here. Now you have to follow one thing, that this game script here, so you have to follow this script, or you can take a screenshot or you can write it down, and you have to do is copy this same to same script in this command box here. Now you can find this load assist option here. Now you have to do is you have to go to your browser and go to that item that you want to put on your dummy. Then you can find the item ID here in the URL. So copy that ID and go back to the studio again, and you can find this load assist with this first bracket where you can paste that ID and hit enter. As soon as you hit enter, you can find this here, the model and the accessories in this section. You can see here it is, but let's put it on the character here or the dummy here. So for that you have to simply expand that model section and you can find accessories, expand that accessories again and click on handle. Let me expand this side here just like this, and here you can find when you are on accessories handle, then you can find that locked. Make sure that it's not locked or this box is not checked with locked. So after doing that you can click on this accessory and hold on that and place it on the R15 dummy. And as you can see here, you can see that the accessories is now on the dummy here. So if I just show you from the back side here just like this, and also from the front here, and also just like this. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.